Advance happy birthday po kay Ma'am Vilma Papa, yung butihing mother ni JM Papa na minentor ko dati few years ago. So, advance happy birthday po. Napadaan lang po para bumati ng happy birthday dahil baka po makalimutan ko at alam ko namang busy kayo sa inyong ginagawa, kaya mauna na ako kasi baka makalimutan ko pa. Well, wishing you good health. I hope your business will prosper in the future and even today. Sana po lahat ng wish nyo at financial wealth and even spiritual gifts and graces ipagkaloob sa inyo ni Lord ngayong taon na to, lalong-lalo na on your special day. Continue to support JM in every way you can at sana po mas lalo pa siyang mag-grow as a person with your guidance. So, happy birthday in advance and God bless.